Meaning of gluteus muscle.
Gluteus muscle.
Gluteus muscle.
Gluteus muscle.
Gluteus muscle. The gluteus muscle, also known as the buttock muscles, is a group of 3 muscles in the human body that make up the buttocks. The gluteus maximus is the largest muscle in the group and provides the primary power for hip extension and lateral rotation. The gluteus medius is located on the outer surface of the pelvis and stabilizes the pelvis during walking and running. The gluteus minimus is the smallest of the 3 muscles and is responsible for abduction and medial, inward, rotation of the hip. Together, these muscles play an important role in supporting the body during movement and maintaining posture.